Hi, my name is Abhinav Jain, and I, along with my colleagues from IBM Research, Nitin Shashank, and Douglas, will be presenting our work on multi-stage framework to boost optical character recognition performance on low-quality document images. OCR or optical character recognition is a standard technique to extract text from images and convert it into machine-encoded text. Tesseract is the state-of-the-art open source implementation publicly available. But there are certain factors such as low resolution, illumination change, blur, noise, character merging or fragmentation, colored regions with poor text contrast against background that hamper its ability to generate binary representation and perform page segmentation. Due to all of these image quality issues, then there is a need that needs to be addressed for improving OCR performance of these low quality document images. Thus, any approach catered to address a specific image quality issue is suboptimal. We argue that a multi-stage framework that independently improves the performance of the Tesseract engine at every stage is better suited for optimal OCR performance. We propose a multi-stage framework whose results we have discussed on 5 challenging document image datasets and have showcased our superior performance against state-of-the-art baselines. Our framework consists of following modules. One is the DPI enhancement module that is used to identify and upscale low resolution document images automatically. Color detection region module that is used to detect and binarize colored text regions. Page segmentation module to extract text lines. And lastly, the token extraction for which we use the Tesseract. Most commonly used OCR systems assume a higher resolution document image, usually greater than 300 dpi for reliable text extraction. However, in the day-to-day scenario, due to unavailability of appropriate hardware and the trade-off between obtaining a high-quality scan versus the time required, a lot of documents are captured at low DPI scans, usually between 70 to 200 dpi. On such document images, the existing OCR systems fail miserably, which presents a need to detect and enhance the image DPI. We propose a simple and novel approach for DPI quality detection and correction. The proposed approach is based on the observation that high and low DPI document images can be distinguished by estimating the height of the text lines present in them. From our comprehensive analysis, we have identified that text lines in low 70 to 200 dpi images are of pixel height no more than 20 pixels. Thus, using this as threshold, we detect and interpolate 70 to 200 dpi images. The next module consists of colored region detection and binarization. The document image binarization is the pre-processing step required by the Tesseract to highlight text from the background. Existing OCR systems use O2 thresholding on the whole image to achieve binarization, which fails on region containing text against colored backgrounds such as headers, highlighted text, etc. This is because the local contrast observed between text and colored region is different than what is observed in the rest of the document, with mostly dark text appearing against light background. Thus, we contain those local contrasts by detecting colored regions as clusters in the HSV space, representing the document and locally performing O2 thresholding. From the image on the top, we can see that the tokens present in the colored header are not detected properly by the classic binarization techniques, while our technique can detect all the tokens correctly. Lastly, the page segmentation module to detect the text lines correctly, we formulate the problem as an image-to-image transformation problem. We motivate the required architecture from UNet, which is used in medical image segmentation. The output is a per pixel probability, which gives you an estimate that the pixel is part of a segmented text line or not. We set the threshold empirically to get the binarized segmented image. However, multiple issues that hamper OCR performance can still be observed in the generated segmented maps. For example, the binary segmented maps after thresholding are not smooth along detected region boundaries. Multiple segmented maps can get merged into a single line due to insufficient gap between them. We address these issues with the post-image processing methods like region overlap detection, region smoothing, and region merging. In this visual illustration, we can see the comparison between the Tesseract's internal page segmentation pipeline versus our proposed pipeline. We can observe that several tokens from the tables are missed, while our pipeline can detect all the text lines correctly. For our experiments, we rendered both 72 and 300 dpi images for every document PDF across all the datasets. And to perform the ablation study, we compared and tested the performance of proposed page segmentation module separately and in combination with the other modules. We computed the OCR accuracy percentage by matching the text tokens obtained from each of the baseline with those from the ground truth. As you can see in the table 1, our pre-processing pipeline performs similarly to that of Tesseract. However, there is a significant improvement offered by our pre-processing pipeline when evaluated on 72 DPI images. We can see that the page segmentation module, the header detection and binarization module, and the DPI detection and correction module, when working and in tandem, offers the highest improvement across all the datasets against all the baselines. In this paper, we proposed a novel multi-stage framework to address the shortcomings of the different stages of the state-of-the-art open source Tesseract engine and boost its OCR performance. Our proposed framework specifically handles complex document images containing tables and colored regions having low image quality. In future, we will explore post-OCR correction techniques utilizing language-based models or data-specific approaches for correcting erroneous tokens that can be appended to our existing pipeline, further improving the OCR performance. Thank you.